This is our top-of-the-range Bosch Series 6 stand mixer, designed to be your ultimate multifunctional kitchen partner. It makes mixing effortless and takes the guesswork out of baking, helping you achieve perfect cakes, breads and pastries. It has our most powerful 1,600 watt motor, which comes with a 10-year motor guarantee and a generous 5.5 litre bowl, so you can handle anything from light batters to heavy doughs. And with 7 speeds plus pulse, you'll always have the control you need. The standout feature on this model is our unique and intelligent sensing technology. It'll help you achieve chef-worthy results without needing any of the know-how. It uses 7 sensor-driven programs to monitor your mixture every second and then adjust the power instantly. It'll then automatically stop the machine when it senses the perfect consistency, so nothing is under or over mixed. It's completely user-friendly, intuitive, and removes the need for any guesswork, which is great when you want to create an impressive dinner party feast without ignoring your guests. We've designed this stand mixer so that it offers a large 5.5 litre capacity in a small, space-saving footprint, and that's thanks to the efficiency of the 3D Planetary Mixing feature. With its orbiting action, it mirrors kneading by hand to stretch, lift and fold mixtures for smooth and airy textures every time. And every last bit of mixture gets scooped up, even around the edges, so you don't have to scrape anything from the side of the bowl. We've built precision scales accurate to 1 gram directly into the machine, so you can cut down on the number of devices cluttering up your cupboards. You can either weigh your ingredients on top of the mixer or in the bowl itself, with the latter helping to cut down on the washing up. The LED screen shows measurements in grams, pounds, ounces and millilitres, so you can choose whatever is required for your recipe. There's also an integrated timer, which lets you set the exact mixing time. When the recipe time is up, the machine will automatically stop. This stand mixer includes 3 professional grade accessories: a dough hook, a beating whisk and a stirring whisk, so you're ready for bread, cakes and everything in between. Switching up your accessories couldn't be easier. Just take your attachment, click it into place, and away you go. And cleaning up is just as simple. All the main tools and the bowl are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying the results. The Series 6 is more than just a stand mixer. It offers multifunctional accessories, removes all the guesswork from cooking and baking, and frees up your time while delivering professional results.